Ngucanio ya utongoria iria ikoretwo igithegea University-ini ya Nairobi riu nikirukite mihaka na kuringana na kiama kia arutani thukuru-ini uyu UASU maya ti maundu mabatie kwanikwo king'ang'a-ini amu marathie na mbere kuhaka ndoro university ino iria ikurikanite kimabũrũri. Matongoretio ni mwandiki wa kiama giki chapter ya Nairobi Maloba Wekesa atongoria a kiama giki ni muritie thirikari kumaura thoni na njira ya gucaria kihonia na ihenya otauria kwahoteka.
Where is the voice of the Ministry of Education, the appointing authority? Where's the president? Where's the vice president? Where are the speakers of both National Parliament and Senate? And I'm asking this because they are all alumni of the University of Nairobi.
It's affecting students, it's affecting staff, it's affecting everyone who is associated with the university. In order for the university to focus on its key mandate, the government should take action.
Kiama kia UASU kiugite gutiri MWENA KIRENDERERA thiini wa ngucanio ino ona kuhanora uguo ngucanio ici hamwe na mugaruruku maria makoretwo magitabanio thiini wa kanjo ya university ino ihinda-ini ria miaka 3 ni gatagati ka maundu maria macungiririe mateta mao kunirwo ritho.
University Council is always very central in the negotiations of CBS. But the fact that we have had a stammering presence of these councils at the university means that there has been an inordinate delay in negotiating and concluding CBS.
Omwe wa maundu maria maceritheirio ni guthurimwo kwa ngirimiti yao ya wira ya mwaka wa 2017-2021 makiorota muikariri giti wa kanjo ya university ino ni kumaikia nja thiini wa miario ya kweruhia ngirimiti yao ya wira, miario iria yabatie kwambiriria tariki 26 mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2024.
So apparently, in the wisdom of the council chair, UASU is undeserving of any CBA negotiations over 10 years since it was last reviewed. In the history of the University of Nairobi, we have never witnessed a split by the employer of its staff. Negotiate with this group, don't negotiate with that.
Thina uyu wothe weyumiririe thutha wa kanjo ya university ino kuheana mwerekera wa rutha rwa kiahinya kuri vice chancellor Kiama Gitahi na kwamura Professor Ayub Njoroge Gitau kurugamirira university ino kwa ihinda, mwerekera uria kiama ateanirie na macungiririo ni njatukano iria iyumiritie nginyagia kuri arutwo. No ona thengia ya mwerekera uria waheanirwo ni kanjo ino umuthi thiini wa gikaro kia vice chancellor a university ciothe na mutongoria wa bururi, vice chancellor wa university ya Nairobi Kiama Gitahi ni umwe waria megwikinyitie mucamanio-ini uyu uria kuhaririirio thingira-ini wa iregi niguo guthurima ukinyaniria wa mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigena kia university. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.